In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to remove levels from Fibonacci in NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open NinjaTrader and let's add a Fibonacci retracement, this one, click on it, and let's add it here, for example. Now let's say I want to remove this level, 23.6%. So all you have to do is click on the Fibonacci like this until you see these three dots, right click, then click on properties. Now scroll down a little bit and you will see here levels, 7 levels, click on it. And this is that level, 23.6%. So click on it, then click on remove here. Click on OK. Now make sure that you click on template here, okay? So click on it like this and click on save. Click on save as default. Now click on apply and click on OK, okay? Now, as you can see, that level has been removed. So if we remove this Fibonacci and let's add a new one, as you can see, we don't have that level, 23.6%. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.